Hello future scientists, and welcome back to another tutorial. This one is grade 12 chemistry, and I'm going to teach you how to write formation equations. Let's get started. All right, so writing formation equations is always going to be for 1 mole of a particular compound. And then all the reactants are going to be in their standard states. So we're going to follow 3 easy steps to help us write the formation equation for any compound. Now, as an example, we're going to be doing ethanol. So step 1, write 1 mole of ethanol in our product. So we've got our arrow, there's ethanol. Coefficient 1, that's all we need. Step 2 is write the reactant elements in their standard state. So what do I mean by this? Well, we've got carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So carbon is just going to be a solid. That's going to be its state at SATP. Hydrogen, right, that's a diatomic molecule, so it's going to be H2, and its state's going to be a gas. Oxygen, same situation. Okay, last step. Now we're going to balance it, but very important, when we balance it, this needs to stay as 1. So we're going to balance all of our reactants. So here we have 2 carbons, so 2 carbons. A total of 6 hydrogens, so 6 hydrogens. We put a 3 there to balance that. Now oxygen is where things get a little weird because we have to use a fractional coefficient. That's okay. Right? We only have 1 oxygen here, so to get 1 here, we have to write a fractional coefficient of 1/2. We have to do this because we want our formation equation to be for only 1 mole of ethanol, which is what you'll see if you try to look it up. All right, so let's do another together. I'm going to do potassium bromate with you. Okay, and then when I'm done, I want you in the comments for you to tell me what the formation equation is for the other 4. Let's try this. All right, so step 1, we're going to write potassium bromate one mole in our products. Now it's comprised of potassium, bromine, and oxygen. So we've got potassium, which is a solid, plus bromine, which is a diatomic. So if you remember Hofbrinkel, it gets a 2. Write it in its standard state, plus oxygen, also diatomic. Now we have to balance, but remember, we have to keep this coefficient as a 1. So potassium already works for us. 1 potassium, 1 here. Here we only have 1 bromine, so our coefficient needs to be 1/2. Now students are usually okay with it, but some students get confused with this one. So what I recommend you do is do a fraction over 1/2. So that sort of cancels out the 2. And then if we only have 1 oxygen, all we need to do is multiply it by 3. So if I write 3 halves there, that means we have a total of 3 oxygens, and it balances. So I hope that helped. Let me know in the comment what the formation equations are for the other 4. If you have any questions, let me know as well. And if you're taking grade 12 physics, you can download my course pack for free in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.